in this video we're going to talk about how to delete all your comments on YouTube at once. As you get on that fiction, what is the main point? Simply it is to go and tap on your right upper side, which is right here, and as you get on that selection, go to your channel, then open up a video section which you have, for example, more comments, and I will go with this one. And before I get into that side, as you can see, I have 3 comments, and for example, if I want to delete all of them, as you can see, if I tap on that selection, it couldn't be deleted on that right point, because I need to tell you that there is no option to delete all your comments at once from here, from your application, because as you can see, if you tap on the 3 dots, you're going to be able to remove just that message side for that comment. But as I said, if you want to remove or delete all of your comments, the best way is to download an application which is not from Google Play Store, but I recommend you to do not do that selection because it is not safe and it's not verified and take it over by Play Protect, which is the most safest way and the most safest preview setup which will take you to delete on your phone.